Hi everyone, I've got a Ford Fiesta here. It's a little van, just came in for a service in front 2 tyres. I've just done the service. I'm going to show you how to reset basically that spanner light. Before I do that, I'll show you the procedure as well. That's the model we're looking at. Here we have the procedure. So what you need to do is switch the ignition on and simultaneously fully press and hold brake and accelerator together for 25 seconds. Then the message will appear, and switch the ignition off, wait at least 2 minutes and then switch it back on. Just going to show you how it's done. Right, now that I'm in the car, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch the ignition on, press brake and accelerator together, wait 25 seconds. There we go, the light's gone off. So what I do now is switch the ignition off. I need to wait 2 minutes. I'm going to just pause this video. There we go, 2 minutes are over. Now what I'm going to do is switch the ignition on, or maybe start the car up. There we go, right there on the left hand side, the spanner light's gone. There's no more spanner light. So that's all you need to do on your Fiesta as well. If there's any more information, please do let us know and we'll try helping you out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.